Okay, just a simple solution. I have many different Lionel products with the Bluetooth phone app, iPad app, or the remote control that comes with some of the Bluetooth devices. I have got some older train sets that are post-war, pre-war, that are not Bluetooth. There's some expensive modules out there to be able to convert it to use a iPad or phone control, but I've come up with a real simple solution with my smart home technology. We have a smart home technology company, Cobb Home Innovations, 615-439-0438. That's www.cobb, home, H-O-M-E, innovations with an S.com. I've converted an older model Lionel Train set and engine utilizing an old transformer, a couple of old transformers just kind of hardwired here in the floor. And what we're going to do here, I'm going to take a smart app on my iPad and we're going to turn the train on. Or off. Back it up. Go forward. And I'm running an old model train, which is an old standard transformer. Operated it from my mobile device. We're going to turn it off. Train's off. Going to hit the button again. Train is on. Backup mode. Turn it off. And we'll go front mode. What you have to do is tap the switch because it kind of reverses polarity when you go backwards or forwards. So I don't have to get up off of my couch to do a manual transformer power up and adjustment with the older model trains. Very simple solution. Call us if you need more information. That is Cobb, C-O-B-B, home, H-O-M-E, innovations with an S.com. 615-439-0438. Have fun with your trains.